Attention all Zion Ministry Facebookers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. There is something I noticed today. And I think it would better I speak in Igbo, because almost all of us na emihe Zayona Ndi Igbo, though I may be mixing up with a little English. Let me start from why I throw my support behind Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I am 25 years in the ministry. I have been there before Ebuka Obi came in. Anolgom n'ọlụ tupu Evangelist Ebuka Obi amalite. Mana, it is my personal decision to support his ministry without fear or favor. And I am the number of times ndị ma chọrọ ịkpa afa kpọgolom na phone si m send the account number m ka ha encourage him for supporting Ebuka Obi. They are here. They may be watching. They know that my response is always, I don't need your money. My response will always be, I don't need your money. By the grace of God, Chineke gozi gonum na ministry, gozi umum. That even if I don't do any other thing again, I will be feeding. Chioma Sonitech said, Daddy, please forgive them. It's those that just read the caption without watching the video. Chioma, see, the only thing I want to do is let's discuss. If I can just withdraw my support. But I know they cannot carry the burden now. They have Hamambumibua. Do you know that when I was in United Kingdom few months ago, I made a video which I started with Ebuka Obi. Somebody Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi, your attention is needed here. When I was saying that, here in movie production is Tisa. By the grace of God, ministry church I have a movie industry. And I made this script, and I made this story, and I may produce movie for more than 28 years now. But if I don't tell you, you wouldn't know. I have a movie industry. Only I na movie. That is when you introduce, when you bring in something that will catch the attention of because we wanted to bring the attention of those who hate Ebuka Obi, so that they will gather. Can we peer hitari? Before you know it, in the Zion, they began to insult. Or again in the media. Or again in the media. Igbo channel says they can't carry it. This fight, and I fight Ebuka Obi. This fight, and I fight Ebuka Obi. But Christians, the whole Christendom, the body of Christ, cannot fight. And every pastor or prophet or reverend father may decide to hide, because they have skeletons in their cupboard. I cannot hide because Iburu dibia ifunurom begi Iburu ye church ananurom gi ego ekpere anabengi ego consultation before ebubere m ga amụma ụgha before ka ihe gasị na mme. Because I don't have any skeleton in my cupboard, I decided to stood my ground. Onye ọbụla na-eme ọfụma na ministry n'ụdị nke ya, mana ebe ọ bụ na chief oluta bụ Ebuka Obi bụ the flag bearer of Christianity. Chinka Foluta na Nigeria bụ Ebuka Obi bụ the flag bearer of Christianity. Whether ma onye ọbụla ọ chọrọ ịnụ ya ma ọ chọrọ ịnụ ya, mana na problem ọ na-enwe, major problem Ebuka na-enwe na bụ ndị oti mkpu nọ na media. Go to my last post. Go to my last post. Ebe m na-achọ ka mmepe anya ndị mmadụ ka ha mara that the fake native doctor that came to Zion, that Ebuka did not receive revelation na onye bụ a fake native doctor. Let me show them in the Bible ebe Elisha binuno with nwanyi Shunen, nwanyi Shunen nwụọ, but Elisha did not see in vision na nwanyi Shunen ga-anwụ. And Elisha said to himself, na ihe amekwano mana Jehovah ezonarigo m ya. That was the teaching. You don't come down, you don't listen. Otu akunu si pass the common entrance in the Zionite media people. Otu akunu si pass the common entrance. Ihe nchọkịta bụ ka onye ọbụla bụ onye Zion na-follow this broadcast, share this broadcast, because ihe nwere ike ịbụ avenue a ga-eji nyegodo ha correction. They are creating enmity for our brother and friend Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Muna Ebuka Obi abụrụ ọgbọ mana age mana ministry. Ọ bụ na ọ tọọ diọkpala ma ọ nwere ike ihe o ji tọọ diọkpala ma adịrọ more than 10 years. But we are supporting him because na Chineke ji eje ozi. Onwekwa ndị ihe ọ na-eme na adịrọ mma anyị fụrụ, anyị ma onye anyị ga-agwa. We will not come to the media. Onwe nke m dere akụ Zion si ya gwa onye na-eme onye mere ihe dị otu anyị emezikwa n'ihe ọzọ na m fụrụ ya na internet. Onye Zion mere ihe dị otu a mgbe Ebuka na-apụta, gwa onye mere ya nye emezikwa n'ihe ọzọ na m fụrụ akụ Zion. Tell him, well noted, sir. Must I come to Zion ministry ka iwe ma na mụ na unu kwu? Mụ na unu na-akwụ nna ya unu ego. Jukene no Evangelist Ebuka Obi mam na yu ego. Joan Akuzayon mam na yu ego. Engineer Isi Obi na yoga ego. I don't want to say much. These people are causing problem for Evangelist Ebuka Obi in the media. If you don't have data, don't comment on a video. Watch the video before you comment. Actually, I'm going to share broadcast or correct certain things. How I fear Mahakwe Ndi Igbo. Mahakwe Ndi Igbo, carry this video. Let them see it. Zion first son, if I'm right, carry this video. Tag Zion media team nine. Tag na this video. Yes, Igbo channels, we will hold meeting with the Evangelist Ebuka Obi to help us talk to his media people. I will start the talking. We will hold meeting with him, fine. Before I have Evangelist Ebuka and the meeting, let me start the talking. No more can achieve maybe Syria. What if I go through the comment section, post in favor of Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Now his supporters came to the video and started insulting me. Are you insulting me? Are you better than me? Is your father better than me? Do you know the implications? Or do you think I'm just a pastor? No, dear. No. You did not ask questions. If you really ask questions, you will never insult somebody like me. Do you know the battle we face for supporting the truth? The truth I know now in Christianity is Ebuka Obi. So when I talk about the truth, do you know the battle we face for supporting him? I was in United Kingdom. I wanted to make a video to deal with those people raise dust against Ebuka Obi's ministry. I was still doing the teaser. I have not started the broadcast. Come and see Zionites raining insults on me. I accept. But that will stop me from telling the world the truth. The truth is that Ebuka Obi is from God. I wish somebody will share this broadcast. I want them to hear. I want Zionite media people. The Zionite didn't use Facebook. I want them to listen and hear. If you know the media team, tag them, tag Yana this broadcast. I know what it has taken me to see if I can bring Reverend Father Bonaventure Emmanuel, to bring him back. A Reverend Father Bonaventure Emmanuel supporting Ebuka Obi from all angles, but the media insulting warriors made him lose interest. If you know these people, tag them. I am still trying to compel on Reverend Father. It cannot be easy. Somebody in our position, if Ebuka Obi put yesterday and you need to support, need to weight behind him, many people egwu. Ndi mara anya ofuma mana anyị na-eme ihe mmadụ na-eme ihe mmụọ. Ndị mara anya ofuma mana anyị na-ebute ụzọ ọgụ. Otu ọbụla isi chọọ ya. Each other spiritually, we will deal with you spiritually. Each other physically, there are people that will deal with you physically. Each other legally, there are legal men that will teach you what legal the law is all about. Then each other I can just roll out 20 million for your matter. If I mention that I can roll out 20 million, somebody na mara onye bugasi onye ofunu go 20 million you win him. Jukenese. Kitchen church na nyem. Do you think that it is the church that is feeding me? I have made money, and by the grace of God I'm helping people. Presently, I na my business na my ministry 200,000 naira each. See, they are watching, they will say it's a lie. 200,000 naira each. So how dare you think NMG I support Ebuka Obi Buka go whether Shame go what for what? I made a post. I want people to understand that this man, this fake native doctor can be fake, and Ebuka did not see. It is possible that that God did not reveal it to him. It is possible. It is biblical. I wanted to bring it out. When it was time for Miracle the blind girl, I made a teaching on the blind Bartimaeus in the Bible. When Jesus called blind Bartimaeus, he said, bring him. Jesus asked Bartimaeus, what do you want? Bartimaeus said, I want to see. Then Ebuka Obi asked Miracle, what do you want? Miracle said, I need money. God cannot give you what you don't. It is what you desire that will be given to you. Na kuzi ufoda nwere ogugu isi oje na comment section na the rubbish. All they want is for me to withdraw my support for Ebuka Obi, and I think that will make them happy. Withdrawing my support from Evangelist Ebuka Obi will make them happy. I want you to tag every Zion media person on this broadcast. Enough is enough. I have my media team, and I have an admin. Honorable, when you comment what is not acceptable, na my post, this media person will just block you, delete your comment and block you. Initially, Honorable will delete comments I not like her. But this time around, or delete a comment or block or argue. And you want room for argument. And you want you are God from beginning to the end. There is no place for argument. And you want room for argument. And you want room for muddy body on muddy body beer. You are a Zionite, whatever you are. Because you were Facebook. Data. Why would you comment on a video you did not watch? What can you not comment? Or illiteracy is that illiteracy called primitiveness? Are you that primitive? Igbo channel, send the request. Since Tuju, you can send your request again. Since Tuju, you can send your request again. Igbo knows that for video. In more time, age you post video. Go and check how many hours that video no go. Give one more time, age post here. Give one go post video and one a. Do you know that there are people that before they make video posts on Facebook, first of all, pray for at least 1 hour 30 minutes before they make post, because now that the post the message culture you deliver,